The last problem I'm going to do on this sheet is right here. And it's a little bit different from the last three that we did, so that seemed like a good reason to do it. Let's see, let's take a look at what we have. So if we look at the coefficients, we see that we've got 4 and 16. So 4 does not get divided easily by 16, but we can tell that 4 goes into 4 once and 4 goes into 16 4 times. So if we were to cancel those out, what we'd end up with is we'd have a 4 left down on the bottom and a 1 on the top. All right, so let's take a look at our variables now. So we've got k to the second power and k to the fifth power. 2 minus 5 is -3. So because it's a negative exponent, we just keep it down on the bottom and we make it a positive exponent. And then m to the second power, m to the third power, 2 minus 3, again, we got a negative, so m to the first power, or just m, and it stays below the line down here. So we've got 1 over 4k to the third power, m. Let's see if we get the same thing when we factor. So up top, we've got 4 times k, k to the second power, and m times m, which is m to the second power. And then below, we can factor this 16 by saying 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. And then the k's, k to the fifth power, k times k times k times k times k. And then we've got m to the third power, m times m times m. All right, if we do a little canceling, we've got m here, m here, m here, and m here. So we've got 1m left on the denominator. And then with the k's, we can cancel here and cancel here. So we've got 3 k's left in the denominator. And then if we cancel this 4 and this 4, what we have left up on the top is simply 1. And then on the bottom, we've got 4 times k to the third power, 1, 2, 3, and 1m. So that's what we got when we factored, and that is the same as the answer that we got right here. All right, so when you get your answers over on this side of the sheet, then you look and see if you can match up with some of the answers over here. So we got n to the fourth power, and here's n to the fourth power over there. So that's next to the t. So number 1 gets the t. So if we go all the way down to the bottom, number 1 becomes a t. And you would do the same thing as you worked across. This one, we can see the answer is right here. So 18 becomes O. So that's right here, 18 and O. So keep working the puzzle, and when you get all the right answers, you'll know why babies like hinges.